Hello, I'm Despo Papachristodoulou. I'm a reader in Biochemistry and Medical Education at King's College London. I was going to give a talk on nutrition facts and myths at the Hellenic Centre, but as this is not possible now, I thought I would give a little introduction in the form of a quiz. Why have I chosen this subject? Well, my main interest is in metabolism and nutrition, and we're inundated with information about and advice about what to eat, what not to eat, some of which is based on evidence, and a lot of which is, I would say, at best, wishful thinking, at worst, harmful. So let's start with this. Question 1. You have in front of you 2 containers with olive oil. They look the same. One of them is labeled olive oil cholesterol free. The other one just says olive oil. And the question is, which would you choose for health reasons? The second question, you have 2 bottles, containers of milk. The first one is labeled whole milk or full fat milk. And the second one on the right is labeled 96% fat-free milk. Similar question to the one before. Which one would you choose for health reasons? On the left, you have pure protein powder, and on the right, you have pure sugar. The question now is, which of these 2 contains more calories, weight for weight? Let us look now at what people eat. Our diet is mainly composed of protein, carbohydrate, and fat, with small quantities of minerals and vitamins. But the main components are protein, carbohydrate, and fat. So what do you think the main dietary component is for the thinnest people on Earth? And what is the main dietary component of the people who live the longest on Earth? Population that lives the longest. The population that they happily go to over 100 years old. What do they mainly eat? Let's look now at energy drinks. I have blocked the brand, but the one on the left is an energy drink, and it tells us it provides energy for body and brain. On the right, we have the same brand, the light version of the energy drink, and you can see an athlete running or exercising on the package. And the question is, do you get the same energy from the standard energy drink or the light form, or which one would give you more energy? Let's look at superfoods. What are superfoods? Well, they claim to be foods which have exceptional health benefits because they have an exceptional concentration of useful nutrients, such as antioxidants or vitamins or what have you. Which of these would you call a superfood? You can choose more than one. Let's look at long-term ways of living and eating. We have the Atkins diet, which is a low-carbohydrate diet. We have the Dukan diet, which is very high protein and very low carbohydrate. The keto diet or ketogenic diet, which is high in fat and low in carbohydrate. The paleo diet, which has no processed food and no grains. This diet is supposed to be what primitive man ate before farming. And then we have the vegan diet, which contains no animal flesh or products. If you're going to sustain a diet for a long time, which one of these do you think is healthier? Well, let's look at losing weight. Obesity is a big problem in the West, and it's an increasing problem in developing countries. And there are various ways advertised for losing weight. And which one of these diets do you think is better? The Beverly Hills, where you only eat fruit for 6 weeks. The detox diet, which consists of fruit and vegetable juice. The cabbage soup diet, which is cabbage soup for a while and nothing else. The grapefruit diet, where you don't just eat grapefruit, but you add grapefruit to every meal. Or the intermittent fasting, where you're fasting, eating nothing for 1 or 2 days and eating the rest of the week. What do you think? And I'd like to finish on a perhaps lighter note. Who had a propensity to fatten and went on crash diets of water and apple cider vinegar? Was it Winston Churchill, Lord Byron, Henry VIII, Margaret Thatcher, or Queen Victoria? I hope that was fun. I will do another little session where I will give you the answers and some explanations. Thank you very much for listening.